have Dr. Vinaya with us. Please introduce the organization that you're representing today.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. This is Dr. Vinaya from India, and I'm here from Bringle, UK, India.
That's wonderful. You're an honoree here at the Education 2.0 conference being held in Dubai. So tell us, Dr. Vinaya, how is it like to feel recognition for so many of your accomplishments?
Um, yes, this accomplishment is a big achievement, and it tells me that I'm now at a global reach and I'm able to reach out and bring this vision or take this vision to a larger community. It gives me that inner happiness and that feeling that I'm able to spread smiles among the larger crowd globally.
That sounds wonderful. Congratulations on being an honoree.
Thank you.
Tell us how you're finding the conference so far. How is Education 2.0 treating you? How's the learning? How's your networking?
Um, to be very, very frank, on the first day, there were mixed kind of emotions for me. But truly, I'll tell you, the work which you all are doing as an Education 2.0, and I can see there's so much of things into it. There might be a bit of here and there, but you people are really amazing. The kind of work which has gone through to put in this event is really remarkable. And I can see that it's not a work of one day or 2 day. It has taken months and months of planning, working, collaboration. And I'm happy because I'm able to meet some of the friends whom I only spoke virtually. And today I have friends live in front of me from Japan who I was talking to her for almost 2 months. But today I could see her here. So thanks to Education 2.0, which gave me new friends from different horizons. And I can say I am having friends globally now.
That sounds wonderful. We're glad we could be of use. We're glad that you liked the event, and thank you so much for the praise. People like you are the ones who add value to conferences like this. So, Miss Vinaya, Dr. Vinaya, please excuse me. Let's get a little personal about your opinions now. How do you think that metaverse is going to influence education in the long run?
As we see today in today's life, the education has already moved far ahead. We say modern tech and technology, children are much more aware about than what you and me are. Probably you are still into a new generation, so you are still more aware about it. But you ask us in our generation, we never knew how to use a normal mail as well at that time. But now, with so much of technology coming in, I don't think so. We should pull them back, but we should send them front. And how are we going to send them front? So, blend with the technology, kind like how AI, artificial intelligence works out. The metaverse platform can be a game changer for them to understand a lot more things and be connected to the next world where they're going.
Yeah, makes so much more sense. So basically, it can add more value to students and their learning. That's a perfect answer. Do you think that metaverse can individually cater to students' needs, like specifically?
Yes, it can. See, now in a classroom, we would have diverse children. Children who can, so all are not a similar kind of learners. So there might be a visual learner, there might be a direct learner, and metaverse can help them at a large way. The gap of learning which we were not able to build earlier, and the class used to always be differentiated or divided between a grades and B grade and C grade. Today I don't have to do that because of metaverse, because I can actually challenge the children with multiple grades in the class and give them the level of work which they really can do. And at the same time, bring my dear slow bloomers, whom I call. I don't tell them slow learners, I tell them slow bloomers, and bring them to the level with the help of the metaverse. While when we always say that, you teach me and I forget, but you show me and I'll remember. So I feel you and I will more remember you. So that's what metaverse is. You give them a real life experience, you give them experiential learning, and it's going to really help them.
That's splendid. Teachers like you, I think, make it so much more fun for students to learn. So honestly, we're glad to have you here. We're glad to host you. There's many people watching who are very inspired by you. Give them some words of advice. How can they be Dr. Vinaya one day?
I will just say, tell to every child and every educator who's watching this. So when I say every stakeholder, it is a small child, it's my dear teachers, it's the principals around, and it's the management and the directors around there, that give them the wings to fly. As we rightly say, if you mind, I would use one Hindi line word here. अपने अंदर की सोने की चिड़िया को जगाओ. Awaken the golden bird within you, and you will reach the horizon which is waiting there for you. So don't wait for an opportunity, but create an opportunity and move ahead. But don't always remember not to lose the smile which you carry, and dream high and big and achieve it very shortly.
That's such wonderful, cute advice. Thank you so much, Dr. Vinaya. If there's anybody watching who wants to collaborate with you, reach you, where can they reach you?
If you want to reach out to us, just type www.sonekichidiyakojagao.com and you will reach out to us. या सिर्फ अपने गूगल पर जाकर सोने की चिड़िया को जगाओ टाइप करिए, आप हमसे मिल सकते हैं डायरेक्टली. At the same time, you just type in as Rotarian Dr. Vinaya and you will find me in, connect me through LinkedIn, connect me in Facebook as Vinaya Angel, connect me in Instagram as Vinaya Angel. You'll find us all over there. So we are a group of people who are working on this mission on awakening the inner golden bird of every person, building up the entrepreneurship skills, not at the age of 15 and so, but at the age of just 5 and 6, because they can also be an entrepreneur. So build that entrepreneurial spirit in every child, and those who already have it, grow them to the next level is what is our mission. Keep smiling, keep dreaming, keep achieving.
That's such wonderful advice. Thank you so much, Dr. Vinaya. We're honored to have you here. It was an honor to speak to you. Congratulations on being an honoree. We hope you have a splendid evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you and wish you the same. Bye-bye.